A few months ago, we shared how to use cost-effective aftermarket screens to remove the non-genuine screen warning message on iPhone. The alert message can be removed by transplanting the original IC to the aftermarket screen. There is now a new aftermarket solution to removing the screen warning message. Today we will share the latest solution with an iPhone 12 mini aftermarket screen. After third-party aftermarket screen replacement, True Tone is missing a non-genuine display warning message appears. As the aftermarket screen only stores the touch and pop-up encryption data, we need to restore the True Tone firstly. Place the phone on the heating pad and then open it by a specialized opener. Remove the aftermarket screen. Connect the original screen with the programmer to read the True Tone. Then connect the aftermarket screen with the programmer to write the True Tone. After reading and writing, True Tone is restored on the aftermarket screen, but there is still warning message. The next step is to transplant the Touch IC on the original screen. Apply high-temperature tape around the IC. With hot air gun at 280 degrees Celsius and airflow 3, remove underfill glue around the IC. Keep heating with hot air gun at 370 degrees Celsius and airflow 3 to desolder the IC. Please heat the area evenly with the nozzle 1 cm away from the IC in a vertical manner for about 6 to 8 seconds. As the chip is removed, we apply some middle temperature solder paste and paste flux. Flatten the bonding pads with soldering iron at 380 degrees Celsius. Then remove adhesive with hot air gun at 300 degrees Celsius. Use desoldering braid and soldering iron at 380 degrees Celsius to remove tin. Clean the bonding pads with PCB cleaner. Once clean, apply some middle temperature solder paste. Form the solder balls with hot air gun at 300 degrees Celsius. To transplant the original IC to the aftermarket screen, we need to use a tag-on flex cable. Apply some paste flux. Remove tin with desoldering braid and soldering iron at 380 degrees Celsius. Clean the bonding pads with PCB cleaner. Align the IC with the flex cable. Please put the pin of the IC in the right position. Solder the IC with hot air gun at 320 degrees Celsius and airflow 3. Then apply some flux and middle temp solder paste to the testing points on the screen. Please insert a metal plate for heat insulation to protect the screen. Keep adding some flux. Then match the pins of the flex cable with the testing points on the screen. Solder the flex cable to the screen with soldering iron at 380 degrees Celsius. Clean residue flux with PCB cleaner. Next, install the aftermarket screen. The screen is fully working. True Tone is restored. There is no non-genuine display warning. The screen fits perfectly with the rear housing. The operation of IC transplant is technically challenging and may damage the screen. REWA recommends that non-professionals do not try it without caution. The screen warning message actually will not affect the normal daily use. As a general consumer, will you care about the alert message after screen replacement? And for the repair shop owner, how much would you charge for IC transplant? Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. The tools and consumables we used in this video are listed in the description box. You can purchase them on REWA shop or contact sales@rewa.tech. Thank you for watching.